Guys, today we talk about how can you find live on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first to find your live on your app. So you just go down, you click here on live down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then here can you select live any of this here. I'm going to click here on this live here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you find this live here. So like you say, in here can you have chat here. If you want to look out, just click on this sign. So then you click here on exit, then it's going to exit with you from live on your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.